Hi, I'm Lisa McCrossan with Ivester Jackson Christie's International Real Estate. I'm so excited to show you this beautiful home in Courance, which is a gated part of the Pellenwood community. You are just minutes away from fabulous restaurants and great shopping in South Park. Come on in and let me show you this gorgeous house. This stunning kitchen is truly the heart of the home. The sellers recently upgraded many facets of this kitchen, including the backsplash, this stove hood, and they made great use of space in what's called an appliance garage. You just open it up and here are your appliances at your fingertips. You turn it on and use it, and then when you're done, just tuck it back away. This beautiful sunroom has exposed brick, which is such a nice added touch. You also get a view of your private patio and the private pond with the fountain. This is a great place to enjoy tea with guests or to wake up in the morning and have a cup of coffee. The master bedroom's on the main floor, and this master bath is to die for. It's got a great soaking tub, dual vanities, and spacious his and hers closets. In addition to the spacious bedrooms upstairs is this media bonus room. It's got these great built-ins and a refrigerator, room for a microwave. So it's a great place to entertain your friends, or you could turn it into a personal office. The possibilities are endless. This house has such a great setting. It's part of a community of about 15 properties that can best be described as a French village. It's got cobblestone streets, gas lanterns, and lots of privacy. If you like this house, I would love to show it. Please contact me for your private showing.